The Nassau County real estate market is back and stronger than ever. September's here, school's back, football season started last night, and we are ready to rock and roll. So to all you football widows out there, I apologize in advance. We'll see you in about 22 weeks. Let's take a look at what's happening right here in Nassau County. The market has still been as hot as it has been all year long. We hear about the lull from the summer, and last month we talked about how things slowed down. But guess what? Vacations are over. Life is getting back to normal. More and more people are actually going to an office to work on a daily basis. And this will have an impact on the state of the market over the next few weeks and months. I have no doubt that the market is going to continue to appreciate, and here's some of the numbers that'll back it up. Our top 10 sales, as we discuss every month, all on the North Shore here in Nassau County. Number 1, $14 million up in Great Neck. Number 10, $3.825 in Great Neck as well. We've had a few in Matinacock and up in Laurel Hollow, Great Neck, Upper Brookville. So all the big money on the North Shore is still moving. But the gap between number 1 and 10 definitely is getting wider. We're not seeing so many of these 8, 10, $15 million sales happening as often. Still great opportunities in the luxury market and in that crazy, insane, high-end luxury market. Active listings for the month of August actually came down 5%. And again, this is normal. Not many people are putting a house on the market in August because who wants to deal with someone showing your house while you're away on vacation and enjoying life? We anticipate that that number will go up starting again in September. You can hold me to it and check back with me next month. But we're down 5% month over month. Pending listings, this is the number of homes that actually came off the market. We talked a little bit about this last month. That number stayed flat. We went from 1208 back in July to 1211 last month. So we're still consistently seeing homes come off the market. One of the numbers we don't highlight on here, new inventory for the month of August. In Nassau County alone, there were 1,321 new homes listed during the month of August. Look at that compared to the pending. What came off? 1,211. So there's a few less houses coming off the market than are coming on the market. That's going to start to have an impact on things as we move forward. Number of closings. Again, listen closely to the number. Number's up 10% from July. As we discussed, August is one of the busiest closing months of the year here in Nassau County. Most of that is impacted by the fact that people want to be in order to get their kids registered and started in the new school district. That number's up to 1357, a 10% increase. Now let's talk about the averages, the medians, all those numbers that really determine what homes are truly worth. When we look at the average sale price, again, we saw a 3% increase last month. We're up to just over $875,000 on a single family sale right here in Nassau County. Look at the high numbers. That pulls that number up, that $14 million sale that we mentioned. But there's a lot of other impact, a lot of other things come into play. The number that most people should be paying attention to, but don't. They think about the average price, but the median price is really the key that determines the strength of the market. Again, that number stayed flat this month as well. We are just at $690,000 for that middle number. So if we look at 1,357 came off the market, 1,357 homes came off the market, half sold for above 690, half sold for below. We still have a super strong first-time buyer market with incredible demand. We're also still seeing more and more bidding wars on those trade-up homes. A lot of people are moving up into a larger home, and more first-time buyers are actually moving into what we would classically call a trade-up level home. Average time on the market. We talk about bidding wars, homes coming off the market in 3, 5, 7 days. Well, guess what? There is still a ton of inventory that sits out there for way too many months. The reason why, more often than not, is either you've got a bad house that's damaged and you're holding something back from people, or the one that most people don't want to admit, you overpriced your home drastically. So we're looking at a 6% decrease from 49 to 46 days on the market. Again, we'll usually add anywhere from 3 to 10 days from accepted offer to contract because attorneys going back and forth, holidays, and who's been on vacation last month, of course. But we're still looking at a very rapidly moving market with many opportunities out there for properties that are overpriced. So if you're looking for a home and you have a price cap, I highly recommend you go in and look at some of these homes that have been on the market for a long time and add to your price 10, 12%. Because if those homes need price reductions, that may be the opportunity for that hidden market that I keep going back to. Months of inventory. Now this dropped 8% month over month. We're down to 2.4 months worth of supply, which means if nothing new came on the market, in about 10 or 11 weeks, there would be zero inventory left. This is the number that really is forcing home prices to go up. in line with mortgage rates. Sale to list price, that number stayed the same as well. We're averaging full price on average, which means you're getting homes that are selling below asking price. Those tend to be the overpriced homes. And we're getting plenty of homes that are selling above asking price because you have smart agents out there working with smart sellers who are pricing their homes with a very phenomenal strategy behind it. Let's create demand by putting the house slightly below what we think it should sell for, not what we want to get, and watch what happens when those homes start selling above asking price. Last but not least, the number that has the biggest impact on buying power for today's consumer. 3.04 was the mortgage rate at the time of this recording. That is exactly the same as it was 30 days ago. We do not foresee a drastic increase in mortgage rates anytime soon. Now, with all the government issues that are going on right now, we can't judge when they're going to snap, make a decision, and change things drastically. But historically, we don't see rates go up huge amounts month over month. They start to creep up. So your buying power, if you are looking to make a purchase, is still as strong as ever. Work with a rock-solid lender who can put you in position to win, who's willing to be part of your solution when the time comes to make your offers. As always, we are here to be a resource for you. Check out our website. We have some hyper-local reports for 10 or 12 of the counties that we serve most often right here in Nassau County. We look forward to being a solution to your problems and helping guide you to your goal of homeownership or selling and getting out of town altogether. Have a great month. We'll see you soon.